everyone, just in time for summer is our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. Colanders are a necessary evil in all of our kitchens. Usually they're metal, usually they serve one purpose, and that's the end of it. Because we've designed ours with the holes in the bottom here, you actually can strain things in here, but you can also use it for larger things as well. So look how beautiful. This is our stoneware helper handles here on the side. And then just by piercing the sides of that stoneware and the bottom, we've created a natural colander. I wanted to do a smaller size for all of your berries, love berry colanders. And then look at this giant size that we did here. Absolutely stunning. So you're going to get the small and the large. And again, the large is going to be for things like potatoes and pasta and all of those things we love to strain. And then your small is going to be for more of maybe like your fruit and things. I'll show you a couple other options that we have. All right, let me go over to the stove because I want to show you the large colander will take 5 pounds of potatoes. So when you're thinking about capacity, I love the fact, again, that you can do that. And because it is that great stoneware, if I wanted to take my hand mixer or my blender, I could do that right inside there and mix up those potatoes, add my ingredients as long as they were nice and thin, and then actually mix it right in there, then transfer it when I wanted to go ahead and serve it. 2 pounds of pasta. So when we talk about Sunday night being pasta night, look how great this is. Dump that right inside there. Everything is perfectly draining, and I wanted to show you that. When I pick this up, do you see how everything is just falling right from the sides? Again, because we've pierced the side, because we pierced the bottom, you get that great drainage. And could you dress that pasta in there? Absolutely. Just recommend that you transfer it into a different bowl when you want to go ahead and bring it to the table. Okay, I got to show you something also equally great. Let me move this potatoes over here. I don't recommend you do that at home. But look at this. With the smaller colander, you can do things like your capers, right? Love the fact that these aren't going to fall through. And a lot of times when you want to get them out, look how great this is. Now I've drained all of my capers and nothing's falling through. That's what's so great about it. So little small things like that, even your pickles would be great to go ahead and mix right inside here and drain right inside there. And now look at that, done. Everything draining right from the bottom, right from the sides. So this is why I love a stoneware colander. They're pretty, they're practical. And then look over here. We have our 1.5 pounds of strawberries and we have 6 pounds of grapes. And what I love about storing my fruit in something that has aeration is you're gonna get that air that circulates around it. So your fruit's gonna stay fresher longer. That's why we made it a Tara's must-have. Love it. You're going to get both colanders, a small and a medium, and they're perfect. Replace this with something beautiful like this. Where can you find it? Head over to Temp-tations.com. You can check out our patterns and our colors.